Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling the Xbox Game Bar feature that triggers DVR captures. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and pick Xbox Game Bar. Once there, toggle it off so the overlay won't capture clips. Make sure to close the Settings app after toggling. This stops the hotkey overlay and prevents many automatic recordings. You do this first because the Game Bar is often the main DVR source. Once it's off, fewer background capture services remain active, and we can move to deeper settings. Next, you disable background recording and captures so Windows stops saving recent gameplay automatically. Go to Settings, Gaming, Captures, and switch off background recording and record what happened. Once done, set the maximum video length to the lowest option if available. Make sure to also turn off capture notifications so you don't get prompts. These changes stop periodic buffer recording and free resources. If you use multiple accounts, repeat these steps for each account to ensure DVR stays disabled system-wide. Finally, you stop background services and registry flags that re-enable DVR. Open services, MSC, and set gaming services or Xbox game monitoring to disabled. Once done, reboot. If you're comfortable, back up the registry and set game DVR and app capture enabled to 0 under HKey current user /system /game config store and HKey local machine /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows /game DVR. After reboot, verify in Task Manager that capture-related processes are gone. Troubleshooting tip: if captures persist, check for third-party recording apps and restore registry backups if Windows becomes unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.